सप्टेंबराक गोंयांत मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारांच्या हाजेरींत NITचो तिसरो कन्वोकेशन सुवाळो जातलो. NIT गोंयांत सुवात दिल्ल्या खातीर NITच्या संचालकान मुखेलमंत्र्याचे उपकार आटयल्यात. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
With this preamble, I am requesting all of you to attend the third convocation of NIT Goa to be held on 3rd September, Sunday at 10 o'clock. And Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Sri Manohar Parrikar ji, to be the chief guest, and he will deliver the convocation address. And it's a very apt that he is one of the brilliant engineer, graduate from IIT Mumbai, has agreed, and it will be very meaningful to have convocation in his presence. As you know, NIT Goa is infant compared to other NITs. Just to give you a preamble for all of you, there are totally 31 NITs in India, out of which 17 NITs were erstwhile RECs, which are upgraded. 3 NITs were Patna, Raipur and Agartala were Government Engineering College, which are upgraded to NITs. And the remaining 11 NITs are new NITs. NIT Goa is one of them. It started in 2010. And even today we don't have a permanent campus. I'm very thankful to our Honorable CM that we have been allotted a permanent campus in Convocation. About 120 acres of land is allotted on last July 14th. And thanks are due to the local MLAs, the ex-MLAs and the chairman of the local municipality. They have sacrificed their very comfortable land to NIT Goa with the interest that down the line within 20 years, this institute is going to benefit the locality as well as the students of Goa. And as you know, compared to IIT, one of the advantages of NIT is that 40% of the students of NIT admission is for the Goan students, 10% for Diu Daman, the remaining 50% for the students of other states. But now the government of India has a provision that amongst the 50% also, if the students do well, they can enter NIT Goa under All India quota. So that provision is there. So we are trying very hard in our team of faculty and students. We have started a program called a Study Connect program, where we go to the schools and tell the students, we have just started, we have to synchronize it with the curriculum. We will teach them how to get into IITs or NITs and help them.